How to withdraw USDT from Coinbase wallet. So what you're gonna have to do is simply use an external crypto exchange like Binance. So you're gonna have to simply go to Binance and then click on deposit, then simply click on deposit crypto, and then here you're gonna have to search for USDT. Then you're gonna have to select the same network. So I'm gonna go with Tron, and you have here this address. So simply copy this address and then go to your Coinbase wallet app and then simply tap transfer, then tap send crypto and select USDT. After that, you're gonna have to simply paste the address that you just copied from Binance and then simply enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw and then simply confirm the transaction. Now, if you want to convert this into real money, you're gonna have to sell it from Binance. So you're gonna have to go to your assets section and then you're gonna have to simply sell it. So go to USDT and then simply click on cash in. Now here you're gonna have to simply click on sell and then simply enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell and then simply click on sell. Now after that, you're gonna have to simply go to assets, and if you have any money here, you're gonna have to simply click on withdraw, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.